This is wrong.
Log on YouTube. This guy's full shiesty and everything.
It's a goon, fam. You never know. Some breaks in, we're good.
Not lie. It's right there.
Margarita.
Not gonna lie, man. Smoking enough. Like I started like 5 spliffs just standing there.
Oh, you're a chimney.
Like.
Yeah, copper measure out. Relays.
I lie.
Yo, gunners.
That's the last thing. He snitched a little, bro.
Look, give me some McDonald's. When you come back, I might remember something.
That is a tough one to stop.
Yeah, I know. We didn't do that going to bed.
Chat. It's 1 p.m. Did man wake up early? 1:30 actually.
Holy, bro. We are funny.
What time did y'all go to bed?
Bro, like 5.
Yeah, I was gonna say we were sitting laying there talking just for like the longest time. It's like, and then I was like, eventually like, bruh, man, let's go to bed.
No, when I hit room, I super went to bed, but like it was fine.
I'd like to go in the pool too. I haven't even been in that
I got
yet.
my shit on. I'm actually super stunning. Let's talk about the towel. So eat for a bit, pool, and then pool. It's hot.
Yeah.
Jamaican hot out
You young boys got a lighter?
It on you?
Low key.
Huh?
Is that low key?
That'll work. It ain't really my type, but I need it right now.
Let's go on
Been on that plane for 4 hours and shit. I need to smoke.
I got
Shit
blocked.
is in my suitcase and they.
Damn. I'm not gonna lie, I was sucking the living skunk out that lighter.
I know, he definitely wanted the torch. Yeah, it's windy as
That's
hell.
what I got at home. I got in my bag is a toy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I saw a convenience store. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just buy this. Fuck it. Lately, she's always the coolest shit, bro. I don't even care.
I lie.
Bothering though.
Damn, I thought that was Rome in the white beater.
This these.
Yes.
Alright, you're gassing. Look, Rome with the muscle suit on.
Okay,
Oh.
chill.
Wait, should we sit? Are you there?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, I can.
Yo, this ranch got sucks, bro.
Hey, crispy crumbs of ranch.
It's gonna have to do.
You know that's your dressing.
Shit, you know? We even need sauce. yours? Oh, the last plate.
Yo, what about these plates?
Yeah, ask him.
Hey, boss man. I think can we use these? Can we use these?
No more plate.
No more plate right
No
now?
more plate. No more
Let's
plate.
try around here, DJ?
I have no
No,
clue.
no, no.
Damn.
No?
There's one plate there if you guys want it.
No. All done. All done.
I'm fucking around with this in the cup. I got that
I said you put that in the cup.
We on vacation.
Yeah, gotta do, you know?
Animal sauce.
Come on now, show some love. I appreciate it, okay? Come on now, come on now.
At least you got a plate.
Appreciate it, okay, sir?
Oh, you good?
Come on now. Come on now, come on now. Show some love. Come on now. Come on now, bro. Come on now.
Gotcha, yo.
Look at me right here. Look at me right here. Jerk or barbecue?
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Jerk barbecue.
Oh, jerk.
Come on, show Chef some love. I appreciate it, okay? Come on now, show Chef some love.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Come on now, come on now.
Where are we going?
Force of napkins over here. Party boat at 4:30 to 6:30. What? I know, right? I'm like, yeah. If you're not giving us a deal, yo, I'm not sitting here. I'm gonna be in the pool and my stuff's gonna be somewhere around here.
Gotcha.
Just come in, look at that pool.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pretty the donkey.
Hopefully this shit doesn't fall. Are you gonna cry? Clear my shit. Chrome hearts. Yeah, wavy with the chrome hearts. I don't got chrome. I just sell it. And yeah, I went to Chrome. Went to all 3 stores. I embarrassed it. Sold everything. Actually, no, I still have socks left, but I sold. Fucking 2, 3 shirts. 4 hats. I was feeding. I went every day. Yeah, right. Fucking shoes. Holy shit. Bro, love selling. GG, it's part of the game, bro. Reseller, you know? Gotta make money.
How?
They're supposed to farm.
Can they not still?
No, he just knows now.
Fuck. Can play along. We can't just tell him?
That's what he's,
You don't think so?
I was never gonna tell him.
Wait, why?
They were actually gonna, I know they were gonna do it.
Nobody coming, drip.
You're in fucking drop.
No way.
Look, you like that shirt though? Balenci?
Yeah.
It's like just a blue shirt.
Literally just a
Balenci.
Like, oh, fuck. You have to for sure show your back. You have to order with your back.
No.
You lost the back.
Where did it drop? The back or the earring?
Well, the backing, no, the earring I seen it drop. The backing, I don't even know.
Might as well take them off.
So it doesn't bother me like that. I don't even feel like you get so used to it.
What do you guys rock? Screw backings or just?
The push-ons. Push-ons are so much
Super
better.
push on.
Let's go. My bad, Darth Vader.
This guy's so ugly. Yo, let's fucking leave. Yo, right here.
Leave them, leave them.